Hello again. It's time for your phonics. Today is number 26, and this is PH. It sounds like F. So PH is what you see together. So G, 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 R, A, F. Graph. That's a F. Graph. Let's draw that in here. G, R, A, PH. F. Not P, not H. F. PH together makes it like that. Graph. Okay, next one. Own, phone, telephone, phone. Like that. Let's go down here. Come here. Okay. So F, put the P, H, O, N, E. Okay, phone. Oh, look at that. I've joined it from the wrong place. It should be just there. Whoops. Let's have a look. Okay, we'll better erase that one. Sorry. Get rid of that. And join it up properly. Just a moment. Let's get this one here. So phone goes all the way up to there, not photo, phone. There we go. Okay, that one is the photo, photo, photo. Ah, there's a photo just there. Okay, let's try that then. So PH makes a photo, like photograph, photo, photo. Okay, now we know this one. Phonics. That's going That's phonics. We know that. PH. Whoops. That's too big, isn't it? Difficult. Difficult to write on this. Let's get up here. Well, you can just about read that. Phonics. Okay. How about this one here? Trophy. Trophy. Ah, the top there. Look. Let's go this way around. Trophy. T, t, r, o, fee. One more on this page. Dolphin. 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 There it is up there. Can I just go over this way? I'm going to go through this way. Okay. Oh, oh, oh. L. And then another F. There's a PH. Funny, isn't it? PH. Dolphin. Dolphin. Hooray! Okay, we got half done. These are some difficult words here, but they all use a PH. Alphabet. Alphabet. Alphabet is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Where's the alphabet? Here it is. Alphabet. Okay. Alphabet. Alpha. It's a long word, isn't it? Alpha. Alphabet. Maybe you can do a better job than me. Alphabet. Okay. Sphinx. 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 Oh, that's that. Egyptian. What is it? It's sort of a cat person, lion person. Sphinx. 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 Okay. Right, next one. This word comes from Japanese. Typhoon. 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 There it is down here. Let's join that up. Typhoon. Okay. Typhoon. Oh, these are long words, aren't they? Got to write a lot. Typh. No, 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 typhoon. What's next? Oh, this one's a difficult one. Oh, it looks like Onyx, but it's Phoenix. Do you know there's a Harry Potter book called Phoenix? Harry Potter and the something Phoenix. Let's join it up as a firebird. Story of a bird that I don't know. Anyway, firebird is Phoenix. 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 Let's go round and round and round. Phoenix. Dun, 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 dun. Phoenix. Okay. Whew. One, two, three, three more. Come on then. We can do it. This one's own. Microphone. Microphone. Let's see, it's up there. Let's go this way. Boom. There's a microphone. Whew. Lots of letters. Let's see if we can do this. Oh, I missed the P. I've lost all my letters. No, 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 no. Uh-oh. Run out of space. Microphone. It'll have to be like that. Microphone. Okay. Whew. Two more. This one is a difficult one. Geography. Geography. I think you say chili in Japanese. Geography with maps. Look, that's geography. Look, it's a map of Japan. Geography. Geo. Go, 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 go. Come on. Go. Ra, 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 ra. Ah, 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 ah. Maybe you can do a better job than me. This is a little bit messy. But there's the F. Geography. Whew. One more. You know this word. Elephant. Elephant. There it is. Up there. Elephant. There we go. Elephant. Font. Elephant. Elephant. And we've done it. Whew. I'm sure you can write more neatly than me. But anyway, remember, PH makes a F sound. Like F. Okay? Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.